Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary in action video. Our core vocabulary word that we are targeting today is can. Can is a verb, so it's most likely going to be green on your AAC system. And can means to be able to. Now let's find the word can on our different AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic, the TouchChat app from Satillo, can. On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, can. On Snapcore First, the 80 grid vocabulary from Toby Dynavox, can. Now let's use our word can for different functions of communication. I could request an object by asking, can I have it, please? I could ask more information by asking a question, can I have the sensory box? I could ask a question using the word can. I could ask, can I have the sensory box after math? I could cheer somebody on. I could say, you can do it. I could refuse or protest and say, I can't do it. I could use my word can to describe. I could say, balls can be big or little. I could use my word can to explain. I could say, it can go here. I could use my word can to negotiate. If I do my art, can I get a Skittle? Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel, like this video down below, and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.